Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
we're back
Hello. Hello.
with our new packs.
New packs.
Ooh, Temporal
We
Force.
have new packs.
And ano to? It's the
Black and white.
black bow
Black bow.
and white flare.
White flare.
Eee.
What is that? I don't know that.
Salamat pala sa aming sponsor na microphone. Thank you, Mommy. And hello, Pikachu. Okay, where do we gonna start?
Cubone.
Cubone. So, Cubone is our guide for today.
Okay.
Excited?
Yes.
Yes. Pero nakasandok. Hindi ka naka-Pokemon shirt. Okay lang. Let's start with
Yay.
Temporal Forces. Ooh, SRP lang. Open it or sell it? No, we're not.
Open it.
We want to open it.
We want to open so we can battle or trade.
And we want to collect Pokemon cards.
And we want pera.
Ba't pera? We want
can
collections.
No, we can sell.
No! Just collect. Okay. First one. We're gonna start. Me or you?
Me.
You?
Me.
Okay. I'll just make an opening. Ang tigas. Tigas ah. Ito na lang. Careful. Okay. Go. Get it.
No, Mike first.
Diba?
Mike first.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, just... Oh my God. Okay, go.
This is Hunter Pikachu. Gasly. LMM. Higher Variant. Sharpedo.
Metagross.
Romby.
Hello, Romby. And hello, Marvin. And Brombegas.
Rumblegas.
Okay.
Basic energy.
We just have 3 halo.
What is this? Who's this? Bram. What?
Something exciting. So, wala pa. Just have a rare card. Next, Temporal Forces.
Yeah. Yeah. We get lucky.
Sabi nila, medyo talaga makahirap makakuha ng
I don't.
super
I don't
full
know.
art.
I don't know what is the card from Temporal Forces.
Ito, we have a guide. We
But
want
I
to
don't-
see what are the rare cards for Temporal Forces.
I want this one.
Dito sa dulo.
I want this one.
Like that, the golden cards.
I want this one.
Oh, the legendary cards. Ano yung lumipad? Regular cards na ba? O, diba? But anyway, I want to open another card.
Okay.
Open another pack. Ay, nagupit. Joke lang.
I want the can. I want the can.
Ha?
I want the can.
Nakan? Gusto mo na kagad to?
No.
Oo. Siyempre later yan. Dun yan sa pang-finale.
What is that?
Sabi mo. Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Subscribe lang.
Oh! Kala ko, God pack na. Okay.
Venus.
We have... Huwag kang magalaw. Okay. This is my Fiena. Para siyang hyena. Use shot ba yun? Hunt. Pikachu ulit. It's a future card. So,
One trainer.
Seal. Ancient Booster Energy. Oh, parang I see something. Wala. Just a hollow. A hollow. And Carco.
Margarine.
Okay. So, alat pa. Alat! Sabi mo, alat!
Alak.
So, naalat tayo for today. For today's video. Ilan na lang? 5? Ay, 2 na. Pangatlo. Ang na-open.
Let's open it.
Our third pack of today's video. Temporal Forces. Give us some good card. Temporal Forces. You know what is alat?
No.
Aside for salty. When we say alat, medyo. Okay. Okay.
Pinazan.
Dolphin.
Diba open?
Ah! Ikaw nga pala. Sorry naman. Just a trial.
That's pet.
Okay.
Snow. Pikachu.
Ano, nakakatatlong Pikachu na tayo.
Multi-condition. Mission.
Bianca. Devotion. Brambling. Grotel. And we have EX Fragriga. It's just a giraffe. Hinahirapan tayo.
Wow, it's a EX.
Okay.
It's like Sammy.
So, one good one. Okay.
Yay, I got that.
Ah! Okay, careful. Wait.
No! Okay, we're back.
Okay, we're back on track. So, again, we have
Froggy.
Furry Giraffe. Our first EX.
Giraffe. This is a giraffe.
Yeah.
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe. Are you sure?
Banana.
Dapat dito siya. Para ito malapit.
We got the Froggy. Wow.
Okay.
I got the EX. I got a good one. You don't have.
Okay.
I want this card.
Naway, hindi tayo
I
maalam.
want this card. Or
Who's that one? You know that name?
no.
Of this card. Of this legendary Pokemon.
I know there's 3. I know it's a starter Pokemon.
Start?
I think it's a full level of starter Pokemon. Or just a legendary.
Okay.
Okay, legendary.
Oop! No, it's just the promo card. Hip hip! I have Drillbur,
Drillbur.
Turbo, Turbo. Okay. Then start na tayo. Ponyta, Chatot, Iron Thread, Buddy Buddy, Puffin, Lycanroc. Hoot hoot. It's with ano to?
Gengar.
Gengar! Full art! It's Gengar! Si Gengar ba yan? Baka si Hunter yan.
That's Gengar.
Gengar.
That's cool.
That's a cool. And this one is also cool card. Yeah. So, all one. Pero ikaw na yung last bunot. Electra pa na yung hinipan. Excuse me po.
Happy birthday.
Last. At least we got Tingnan nga natin. Wait, tingnan natin. That Morty Conviction, hindi siya part ng Golden, but nasan siya? Nandito pa naman siya sa second. Oh, nandito nga siya! Second to the last page.
I want this one. This is my height.
Show. Tingnan natin. So,
The
ibig sabihin.
YouTubers wants this. Wait. YouTubers
This one.
wants the full art of this.
I'll show you to camera. Which one? Full art of?
The one that gold.
The golden one. Dito?
This one.
Okay. Ah.
YouTubers want that.
Yun yung very valuable dito. Parang ito nga yung mga golden is not so expensive. Parang mas ano pa tong mga ito, Gengar. Pero I like this one. What's the name?
This one.
Morty's Conviction with Gengar. Nakadali rin tayo sa Temporal Force, hindi man Elite Box. Ang ating binuksan. But there's a chance. Okay. Okay, third down.
Heat more.
Your
Heat
time.
more. Yamper. Tora. Grappin.
Iron Juice. Full Metal Lab.
Golok.
Colossal.
Behenian.
Drampa. And that's it. But we got 2. Not bad. So, 2 out of 5. And we're gonna see how expensive is this one.
I think this mahal.
Yeah. Okay.
This is not.
Now, for the main event. So, you choose. Lagyan muna natin yan dyan. Ang ating mga... You have to choose.
Yes.
Which is your best tin can. Tin can ba tawag doon?
This.
Mini tin. Yeah. We're back. We're back on track. Sino na? Ikaw yung...
ikaw
sino
muna.
ba?
Ikaw.
Ako o ikaw? Sino? Ikaw na mag-start?
I'll start.
Ako na muna mag-start.
Okay.
Meron siyang ano kahit hindi gumtingin. Meron siyang...
Yay!
And... Ang ganda ng kanong naka-inbows. First time natin bumili nitong can na to.
I wanna open
Okay.
na.
Baka malaglag na naman yung camera sa'yo. Feeling ko malalaglag yung camera. Alam mo, madali Kasi daddy na, anak ko, matatalsik lahat. Sabi ko sa'yo we need power. Like, ihip power. Yan. Oh, I told you. Oh, there's some good stuff here. Ano to? Sticker ba to o card?
I don't know.
Oh. Parang sticker.
What is that? White?
Oh,
White
we have
flame.
white flare.
I mean white flare.
Pero ano muna to? Sticker? Sticker nga. Sticker siya. There's a card. And there's a sticker. Baka to valuable din to. Let's skip it. Oh, ang ganda nung packaging niya. Ah! Oh, it's 2! Akala ko 1 lang. Wait. Ito pala siya, mami.
This is mine. That's mine. That's mine.
Okay, you have first Black Bolt and first White Flare.
Black
Akala ko yung promo card niya is isang ordinary card lang pala siya. Nakalagay dito si Volcarona.
Volcarona.
Oo, pero ganun lang siya. Pero malay mo, it's valuable. Hindi siya yung full art. Pero full art. It's a full art, diba?
Kaya puta.
Yeah.
Alam mo na.
Right! So, which one? You gonna start?
This is all mine, the can.
Ha?
That's all mine, the can.
Kaya nga, you pick first na i-open ni Daddy.
I developed that.
To?
Yeah.
White flare muna. You sure?
Yeah.
Final answer. Okay. White flare daw muna. Sabi ni baby boy. Okay. Ay, binata ka na. Oh, mami, kabang ka na. Binata na daw siya. Hindi na siya baby boy, mami.
Binata ka na?
Sabi niya, just now.
Nabit-bit ako ng pad.
Bag nino. Sinong binibit?
Sabi daw, bit ako. Bit ng bag.
Bit ng bag. Okay, let's start with white flare. I'll get it first.
I wanna open it.
Yeah. Oh. Let's start. Oh, sana swerte tayo sa white flare.
Patra. Cotton.
Show it to the camera.
Tepig. Tool scrapper. Swana. Gigalit. Lillipop. Minfo. Gofangirus. What's that?
Energy ball.
Why is it like that?
Metal. Yun na, bago na yung design nila. This is the new design for Black Bolt. Yeah, iba na. Yeah, kasi look at the difference. Ito yung dati. This is the new energy ball. Energy ball. Energy.
Now looks better.
Diba?
It looks better.
Looks better? Okay. Ano yung nakuha mong halo? Ito? Isa lang, no? Ito binukuha mo? Marami din. Si Lillipop. Okay. Then, ito pa yung something new sa halo niya. Look at the sides. Compare natin dun sa halo nung...
It's like rainbow.
Ano yung mga halo natin?
It's the honey.
Diba? Tingnan mo to. Matay yung isang halo. Like ito. Regular halo na si Drampa. Pero this one, there's a line. Yan. Kahit dun sa may mga line. Okay.
I think this can go somewhere next day.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, we're gonna go out. We're gonna go to Lola. Lola's house. Mom's sister. Yeah. Don't worry, tomorrow we're gonna be very much fun. So much fun. Okay, next. This is Black Bolt. May suswertehin kayang full art sa Black Bolt. Wait mo. Careful. Baka lumabas yung super rare.
Show. Clang.
Clang. Solosis. Ardio. Golok. Tro. Simipur. Braviary. That is Meliota.
Yeah, I got it.
Bago mo pa magusot. There's another one.
That's the same thing, huh?
Yeah. And it's Halo. Whoa! Nakachamba ng isang full art EX si Terdong.
Yeah. 2 EX. It's 2 EX.
Oo nga, no? EX ka. Next! My turn. My turn. So, ibig sabihin, yung card niya, ito din, ang laman sa loob. Diba? Yung sa'yo kanina, this is your special card and sticker. Ayos din, ano? Magkano presyo niya? 1,700.
1,700.
1,700, no? Wala na yung papel. For 2 cans, 4 packs.
Marami naman.
Mahal din, ha? Mas mahal yung pack. Ay, yung can. Mahal yung can.
Kasi 2 packs.
2 packs is ano lang, eh.
Diba 2 packs? 400?
Mga 500 plus or around 600 lang. Almost 600. Ihip mo na pala. Hindi ma-open. Aho! Okay. This is the sticker. Oh, sabi ko na. So, same as the...
At the packaging.
Ito.
And the white flags.
So, okay. And the sticker.
Black.
Yeah, same yan. Meron siyang white flare
And black.
and black. Okay.
It's black and white flags.
It's the first time and forever. There is magic in the result. Pwede ba tong maging ano, 30?
Golden. It's gonna be
Golden or God Pack?
Please be God
Ba?
Pack. It's so rare, God Pack.
Walay mo. Ba't ang ayaw bumaba? Oh, there's something. Ayaw bumaba, oh. So I just need to...
That's a real Pokemon.
Ha?
There's a real Pokemon.
There's a real Pokemon. Natatakot akong ikat. Baka mamaya God Pack lahat, no?
Maduri God Pack. It's so rare to get a God Pack.
Malay mo. Malay niya. Malay siya. Diba? Tanggalin muna natin tong mga promo card.
Dapat first pack.
And energy.
Dapat first pack, dapat first pack ang God Pack, yung full art. Dapat full art.
Full art agad. Okay, let's start. Yamas. Bardore. Big Knight. Energy.
We have no trainer.
Sigip.
We can use the
Leopard. Whoa! It's Master Ball 30! Yeah! Yeah! Look at the hello! It's Master Ball! First time. First time. May kasamang pasabog. Oh, Master Ball ate.
Master Ball.
And another halo.
Master Box.
Master Box. And a regular halo. But good thing, merong Master Ball po. First time natin makakuha ng Pokemon na may halo na Pokemon Ball design. Master Ball pa. Last pack magic. Hindi higop, blow. Hinigop mo. Last pack magic. Last pack magic. Ba't ito? Madaling buksan kaysa dun sa temporal force. Oh, there's something. Energy.
Muna.
Parang regular lang yun 1, 2, 3. Good up. Halo Momola. Braviary. It's a hollow? No. Liligan? It's a hollow electric. Oh, it's a hollow
Prismatic.
energy.
Prismatic.
And
Zekrom.
Zekrom EX. So yeah. So this is the Black Bolt.
It's so
Sayang,
cool.
no?
It's so cool.
Kung full art yun, no?
That would be awesome.
Oh my gosh. And that's it. That's our very good collection. Makanta sa background. Eh, kung makanta sa background, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Next time again. Pokemon. Okay, reveal na.